Friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Asus VivoBook 13 Slate OLED with Core i3 and 300 CPU. So friend, Asus announced VivoBook 13 Slate OLED, the new generation of this fun-filled 13.3-inch detachable 2-in-1 laptop that makes it easier to enjoy everything and everywhere. And friend, with its vivacious styling and versatile design, and it's a combination of brilliant 13.3-inch OLED, Dolby Vision, Pantone validated touchscreen and quad speaker Dolby Atmos sound system makes it perfect choice for the on-the-go entertainment. And friend, creativity is a cinch with the handy Asus Pen 2.0, MPP 2.0 complete and stylus with 4096 pressure levels, 4 swappable tips and convenient one-click Bluetooth function via shortcut button. And friend, a speedy new 8-core Intel Core processor is faster and deliver better life than its processor, and backed by a 512GB PCIe SSD and up to 8GB of fast LPDDR5 memory. And friend, a magnetically attached keyboard, large touchpad and cover stand make it endlessly adaptable to any situation, and user can enjoy easy connectivity via the dual USB Type-C ports, audio jack and micro SD card reader. And friend, it is packed with useful new features that make the user's life easier, including Full HD IR webcam with Asus 3D noise reduction technology and Asus AI noise cancelling technology. And friend, it uses 100% FSC certified recyclable packaging. Its energy efficient also outperforms the Energy Star standard. And friend, the laptop is tested to the stricted MIL STD 810 US military grade standard using up to 12 test methods and 26 state processors. And friend, it is provided by the 8-core 3.8 GHz Intel Core i3 and 300 processor with powerful upgraded components that include up to 512GB PCIe Generation 3.0 into 4 SSD and up to 8GB of fast LPDDR5 RAM. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.